In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a timeline to your WordPress website, a simple and visually appealing way to organize and display events, achievements, or any other milestone-based information. First, let's begin by logging into your WordPress dashboard. You'll want to ensure you have access to your admin panel, which is where you'll manage all aspects of your site. On the left-hand menu, scroll down to find Plugins. Click on it, and you'll be directed to the Plugins page. Here, you can add new functionalities to your website. Next, click the Add New button. This will take you to the Add Plugins page, where you'll see a search bar in the top right corner. We'll use this to find a suitable plugin for our timeline. You want to type Timeline into the search bar. You'll find several plugins available, so feel free to take your time and browse through them. For this tutorial, we're going to focus on Cool Timeline as it's user-friendly and has good reviews. Once you've found Cool Timeline, click Install Now. After installation is complete, the button will change to Activate, so go ahead and click that. This activation will make it ready for use and add new options to your WordPress dashboard. Once activated, you should see a new option labeled Timeline or similar on the left-hand menu of your dashboard. Click to begin creating your timeline. Now, you'll be taken to the timeline page. Here, you can start by clicking on Add New to create a new timeline entry. The layout is similar to creating a typical post or page in WordPress. You want to add a title for your timeline event and then enter any details in the main content box below. This is where you'll provide the main information about your event, like a description or explanation. On the right-hand side, you'll see the option to set the date of your event. Make sure to set this accurately, as it will determine the order of events on your timeline. Feel free to add an image or media files to your timeline event if you'd like. Media can make your timeline more engaging, providing more than just text for your visitors. Once you're satisfied with your entry, click Publish to add it to your timeline. Repeat these steps to add more events. Each entry will automatically stack in time order when published. Finally, to display your timeline on your site, you can either use a shortcode provided by the plugin or use the widget functionality it provides. If you're using a shortcode, copy it from the plugin settings and paste it into the page or post where you want the timeline to appear. Alternatively, if your theme supports widgets, you can drag and drop the timeline widget into a sidebar or footer. And there you have it, a fully functional timeline on your WordPress website, ready to inform and engage with your audience. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.